There are a couple different ways to create a Google Sheet. First, if you start in Drive, you can click on New and click on Google Sheets. Before you click on Google Sheets, if you hover your mouse over this arrow here, you can choose to create a blank spreadsheet, or you can go to the template gallery and open up a template that you can work in. The other way to create a spreadsheet is to right click inside an empty folder on any empty space, and you have the same menu here as you do on the new menu. So you can right click and choose Google Sheet, and when you choose to open up a Google Sheet, it creates a brand new tab, and there you have it. You have created a new Google Sheet.